So, in today's topic, what's inside? I have a mirror camera from Audi e-tron. This is the right side, and that's the camera. Yes, this is a 360 degrees side camera for parking system. This is a turning light, and this is manually foldable, not electrical, only manually. So there's a harness wiring. There are two connections for cameras, number one, number two. This is connection for turning light, and this is for camera heating. For this camera for winter time, is there a frost on it, then you will see nothing, and that's why it has to be heating. So the main goal is look inside, what's inside. So let's start to assembling it with some parts. First of all, we need to take off this foam, because under the foam is a little tiny screw. So first of all, I unscrew this one little. Don't use screwdriver. There are special tools for take off these plastic parts. We need to fold it because we need to slide it to the left. Oopsie daisy, there it goes. Okay, that's nothing. So let's move on. Next we have to take off this cap. There it is, simple cap with little legs. So now we can see inside a little bit more. Next, what we should do is to take off this upper part. There is no screws till this moment. So let's start with one side. off. There's only the legs, plastic, nothing else. So what do we see here? We see that next will be turning light, side turning light. Yes, it's already moving. There's nothing complicated. Off it comes. And the connection. Connect it. It's free. And this is only the outside part. It's only the side light turn signal is additional, and it's changeable. Yes, there's a little tiny mark, scratch. So next we see all the mechanism, the folding mechanism. And this is the camera. This is a heating connection. So next we should unscrew these bolts. 1, 2, 3. So, and then we can go further. Next, we should fold it. And then it goes under into the side. Yes, next step is to remove this connection for camera 360. Off, and now it's free. Now turn it to the other side. This is the main side, and the plastic one goes off like this. So there's the skeleton, almost naked. There's still a camera, so the connection is in right here. I hope you see it. And take it off. This is free. Now we can disconnecting the camera from wiring. Yes, it's losing. heating going through the surface. So, do we see the frame? Now I can disconnect the wiring. And so, in the mainly thing, it doesn't disassembling any further. Yes, there's some connection screw. There are one little leg, but if we want to take it off, we should make it loosen, but there is a big spring under it, and this is a solid connection from the factory. Yes, we can make this moving, but it's not necessary. So yes, this cap removes too. We can try it to remove. It's easily from inside. That's it. This is solid connection too. Yes, we can change the wiring. We can try to take it out. So this part is off. Now we should this one make it go. So. And the wiring is off. So, this is the, I said, naked almost, with little skin. This side panel. And this is not changeable part. If something goes wrong with it, you should change all the mirror camera. So, I think I will put it together back. Yes, let's do it. Let's do it fast.
Let's party.
So let's test it. No thing I can test is the turning light. So let's do it. Test. Yeah, it's working. And that's it.